Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the 1-minute puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Vinko or Václav Obshevač, Czech puzzle designer. Difficult level of the 1-minute puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to make a cube using 4 parts. If you take a close look at the puzzle, you will find that all 4 parts have completely different shape, and as soon as you start putting parts together, you will find that you can easily put 3 parts, but there is not enough room for the last piece, or you create something different than a cube. Then you will try a different approach and try assembling parts again, and most of the times you will end up with something that doesn't look like a cube at all. It is not a difficult puzzle. It will take you probably like 1 to 5 minutes to solve it, but it is a fun puzzle, especially for beginners, and for experienced puzzlers it will be a nice puzzle to have in the collection, especially if you buy not just 1-minute puzzle but also OMPIC puzzle, which is 1-minute puzzle in a cage. You have to fit 4 parts inside the cage. It is a little bit more challenging, but also a fun puzzle, especially when you have 2 of them and you give both of the puzzles to your friends to try, starting with the 1-minute puzzle. They will probably solve it in a minute, maybe in 2 minutes, and then you give them a little bit more difficult puzzle, the OMPIC, and it's just a lot of fun figuring out how to solve not a difficult puzzles, but quite interesting puzzles. If you like how the 1-minute puzzle looks and you want to buy it, or you want to buy another one that is called OMPIC, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.